Kikundi cha 15 Mheshimiwa Rais.
Umuthi arigo muthenya wa gatatu na wa muthia wa maabithaa a borithi kuhumbo thumbi. Umuthi maabithaa 991 kuma Ruhonge Rwa Gsu nio mahumbitwo thumbi igongona riria ritongoririo ni mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto thukuru-ini wa college wa maabithaa a borithi mwena wa Embakasi. Igongona riri ni ria 49 kuma riria ruhonge ruru rwambiririe mwaka-ini wa 1948. Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni atugiritie maabithaa aya ni kwiyumia gwa kahinda karaihu na gugakinya hindi ya kuhumbo thumbi na niguo mathie magatungatire bururi.
I congratulate therefore each and every one of you for this lifetime achievement. Congratulations and my very best wishes as you get on to do what you have been trained to do and serve the people of Kenya.
Ruto oho ni ugite uhaguku wa gitiri uria ukoretwo ho icigo nyingi cia bururi na makiria icigo iria igomagirwo ni ng'aragu na wakwagithia thayo wa Kenya undu umwe na kwagarara ihoto ciao. Riu akiuria maabithaa aya gwitika mbu iria ikoragwo kaingi ikimagumira.
The interests of Kenyans are not to be infringed without serious consequences. I repeat that the rights, freedoms, lives and livelihoods of the citizens of the Republic of Kenya shall not be interfered with without a robust and effective response.
Kuringana na president augite ruhonge ruru ni rwa mwanya indi maabithaa aya riu ni marihuthikaga riria kwagia na wagagu bururi-ini ona kana riria itoi cia gumira handu undu uria mabatie kuguthuka na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka.
The General Service Unit is a highly regarded specialized unit with paramilitary capabilities and capacity to deploy on short notice and engage effectively with security threats in various types of difficult conditions, terrain, climates, including urban combat. It is the cutting edge of our police response to armed conflict and security challenges.
Minister wa ugitiri Professor Kithure Kindiki augite ni agutigirira ni kwagia na mutaratara wa kurehe mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa borithi na niguo kugacirithia ugitiri thiini wa bururi.
We have picked the priorities which your administration has identified in the security sector, and we have rolled out a program to ensure that we implement all the priorities that are in the Kenya Kwanza administration plan for the security sector.
Inspector wa borithi Jafeth Kome ni aranigania gutigirira kigina giothe kiria githukagirwo maabithaa a borithi ni giatumika na njira iria yagirire na gutigirira turia nime ni twahuka na muno makiria kiranira maabithaa ya matigwikuruhania na uteti o wothe na niguo gutungatira bururi.
You voice stated clearly, utaki hata shilingi moja ambaye umepeana kwa kikosi cha polisi iibiwe ama iende kwa njia nyingine, na kuhakikishia ile support umetupatia tutatia bidii na kuhakikisha tunalinda mali yote ya nchi hii pamoja na ile natupea kama vifaa vya kazi.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma thukuru-ini wa mathomo wa maabithaa a borithi guku Embakasi mucii munene wa Nairobi, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.
Kikundi cha 15 Mheshimiwa Rais.